everybody. It has been a while, but I'm here to bring you guys a bargain thrift store haul for books. You guys know me, I love shopping for books, especially at a thrift store. Usually at the beginning of the year, it's good, you can find some great finds. So I'm going to share with you guys what I have gotten probably in the last, 2 weeks? 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, maybe 3. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the other day we found this Oddballs book at Goodwill. This was 50 cents. My son is obsessed with Oddballs. It is a graphic novel, so I ended up getting that for him. Yesterday my husband did not want to go to a Goodwill and I'm like, can we go? He's like, no. Well, he ended up finding a safe and it had some personal items in there, so we had to like get, you know, people involved and figure out what happened. But anyways, he didn't want to go, but I found some books that I was super excited for. I found The Touch of Darkness by Scarlett St. Clair. This book has been on my list to read for a very long time, and I am super excited to read it. It is a little beat up, but for $1, I could not pass that up. I also found the book Wicked. This is a book that I've been wanting to read for a very long time, and I'm like, you know what? I finally found it out in the wild. I paid $1 for it, and it's actually, I mean, it's okay. It's in okay condition, and if I end up not liking this, I'll probably end up putting it in my little free library. And then I was super excited to find The God of the Woods. This book has been on my library like waiting list for a while, and I'm finally glad I found it. I paid $2 for this. $2 for it. The cover is in not the greatest shape, but the book seems to be pretty good, so $2, $2, and everybody's like, Jennifer, you gotta read that, you gotta read it. So we're going to read it, but for $2, you can't go wrong. I went to a bargain outlet store last weekend, and I ended up finding this, the 7-year slip. I'm like, okay, it's not in like the greatest condition, but for 50 cents, we got it. We got it for 50 cents. And then I'm like, well, I don't want to spend just 50 cents while I was there. So got this book for 50 cents. Again, that's going to be a book that I'm going to read, and then if I do not like it, I'm going to put it in my little free library. But I'm like, I found a Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. It is a paperback. So got this for 50 cents. These books really fly out of my little free library. Like, the cover's in not great condition, but the book itself inside. So for 50 cents. And then okay, and then I found this Magic Misfits Neil Patrick Harris book for 50 cents, and then I found American Girl book Courtney, which I am super excited to read this. This one I am super excited, but these were 50 cents, so I spent $2 while I was at the outlet store. Then I went to the outlet store a week prior to that, and I ended up finding this Pokemon Super Deluxe Essential book. It was 50 cents. I'm like, we're gonna get it. You know, my son's not into Pokemon as much, but for 50 cents for a book, I'm definitely putting that in my little free library. I also found Beautiful Disaster. I have this book, but I thought for 50 cents, I'm going to get it and put it in my little free library. And then I was thinking, like, this morning while I was getting dressed, I'm like, I should do a book of the week. So, like, I have an Instagram page for my little free library, and I'm like, I should do, like, a book of the week post. You know, let's see what the book of the week is and see if somebody takes it. So I was thinking of doing that because I got some really good books to put in there, and this summer I plan on getting a lot more. But the next book we got at the outlet store was A Middle School Worst Years of My Life by James Patterson. This book is like in pristine condition. 50 cents, can't go wrong with that. I ended up finding The Housemaid. I've already read this book. I own this book, but I thought this is a perfect book to put in the little free library. Paid 50 cents for that. And then I found Never Never by Colleen Hoover. I was debating on keeping this book, and then I'm like, no, I don't want it. I thought Colleen Hoover books go like super fast in my little free library, so I thought I'm definitely going to put this in here. So got that for 50 cents. And then I also found Butcher and Blackbird. I already have this book. This book is not in the greatest condition, but I thought, you know what? For 50 cents, it's going in the little free library, so I'm pretty excited for that. I notice a lot of romance books go out and in, so I'm trying to get like more hip books instead of some of the stuff that I see in little free libraries. But yeah, and then I found Hopeless. I love this book. I read this book, I can't remember if I read it last year or the year before, but I absolutely Love this book. I actually am keeping this version unless I find a different version of it. But I really liked this book, but I could not pass it up for 50 cents. And then I also found Dark Resistance by Katie Robert. And this book is like literally, I don't even know if it's even been read because the front flap is in perfect condition. And I was pretty excited to read this. This was book number 7, 50 cents. And then I also found The Fourth Wing. The Fourth Wing. It was just sitting there and I'm like, oh my god, you guys. Like, I wanted this series, but I didn't. And I'm like, you know what? I'll just wait until the day comes, and the day found me. I paid $1 for this. $1 for this. Yes, I have read this book, but I am keeping this book because I am super, super excited for that. And then I ended up finding Dark Vanessa one day. My husband and I were out, and I says, can we go to Goodwill? He's like, yeah. And I ended up finding my Dark Vanessa. This book has been on my reading list for a couple months now, and then when I found it out in the open, I'm like, oh, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So my friend says it's kind of a messed up book, but I absolutely love it, and I paid $2 for this. And then I was on Facebook Marketplace. I have a friend, or I was on Facebook Marketplace, and there's a lady who joined my new book club that I joined, and she was selling some books. And I'm like, oh, can I buy this book from you? And she's like, yeah. So I was super excited, but I found Kill Switch by Penelope Douglas. This is the one book I needed of this series. She was selling these for $3, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy this because I am super excited to finally finish this Devil's Night collection. So yes, for $3 I got that. And then she was also selling The Nanny by Lana Ferguson. Now I just finished reading one of her books last night, and I'm like, you know what, I started reading that book when I bought this from her, and I'm like, I really like it. So for $3 I ended up getting The Nanny, which I am pretty excited for. So those are all the books that I've been getting, probably I want to say in the last 3 weeks, and I'm so excited to share with you guys more hauls. I want to get more books for my little free library. I actually want to go through my whole town and fill up books. Like all the books that have been sitting in my little free library, I want to go put them somewhere else because somebody else might enjoy them. So you'll definitely see me do videos on that, especially on TikTok. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.